I'll try to capture this, which might be impossible. So it's binaural stuff in my ear. I'll take you to the half complete sub because it's not done yet. I like the wood thingy there. Electronics are just lying behind it, so it's not done, and it definitely needs a front. I don't like it without front. I did not design it without front, but I did not make the front yet. Also did not make the seal yet for the woofer, but it seems to be sealed. But anyhow, I will make a seal. Yeah, there's one thing about having a nice enclosure, but where it's standing, it was actually standing here. It's not ideal. You should put it like behind there somewhere to get the most reward of your subwoofer. So I made something that is nice to look at, but in the end I'll put it somewhere in the corner. Well, nice to look at, I mean, it's all relative, of course. I could make like a square box, that would be easier, and result will probably be the same. But yeah, damn thing is that I need to make two, so now I have to redo, or at least do the same again. There, let me see. Oh, it's not on record here. I have to clap again. Quite shitty clap, but let me see. My hair is in the way. I crossed it at let me check that. The planars are crossed with a 24 dB per octave filter at 65, and the subwoofer is crossed at 62. Not sure why that is. I'll make it 65. Oh yeah, and I also added a high pass at 23 Hertz because I have some songs that have quite, I don't think they have a limit on the low end, and this thing goes berserk, and it limits the maximum output since it's not that extreme, and it's only using one sub, and I intended to use two. So I used the mini DSP to do the crossover thingies because I have 2 channels extra. In the routing you can indeed say, okay, I want to have input 1 and 2 go to output 4, which makes it ideal to create a subwoofer channel. So that's nice. Nice they thought of this. They do not have this in the 2 times 4 thingies. Too bad. But in this one, well, it is there. I swapped the room. This kind of setup sounds worse, but since it's Christmas, this looks a little bit more cozy than the previous setup. It's not very housely, so I changed it over just because I got visitors, and I don't want to have my room completely arranged just for listening music. Yeah, let's do some Billie Eilish because damn, she has, I don't like all of her music, like most of it sucks, or at least for me, or some choices I find rather weird, but the tiny noises here and there are really cool. She did that really well, or she and her brother, I guess. So we're gonna listen to When the Party Is Over, and there's not much low end, it's just at a few spots, so there we go. And I'm not sure how well that translates, and I'm not sure if I can show you with or without sub in that time span, but we'll see.
to lose, you can't afford to. Tore my shirt to stop you bleeding, but nothing ever stops you leaving. Quiet when I'm coming home, I'm on my own. I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that.
Let's do that again without subwoofer.
I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Don't you know too much? Or say I like it like that, like it like that.
Far less, of course.
Don't you know too much already? I'll only hurt you if you let me. Call me friend, but keep me closer. And I'll call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home and I'm on my own. And I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Nothing is better sometimes. Once we've both said our goodbyes, let's just let it go. Let me let you go. Quiet when I'm coming home and I'm on my own. I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that.
All those tiny noises, I really dig that. It's insane. Only downside is she or he or both, they, I don't know, tend to put distortion on many stuff. Like for instance, this low end in this song sounds distorted from the get-go. There's another song that starts off really nice, then there's some vocals with some effects really nice, and then it becomes more like yeah, they want to like louder and louder, but they excessively distort everything on purpose, and it becomes worse on the end, and then it becomes like really distorted. But if you're not familiar with that, it sounds like something is wrong until the end, and then you think, oh, okay, well, this was on purpose. It's so terrible, this must be on purpose. But anyhow, really, the low end makes also the mid-range and treble sound differently, which is weird. In some songs it's like, wow, I didn't know I missed that, but it's really beneficial, and I'm looking forward to have the second one. Not so much making it, but yeah, this one needs still a lot of work. I need to sand everything down, I need to paint some stuff, so there's tons of work, but I wanted to clean my room for Christmas, so I'm not like sanding tomorrow while I actually have to make a dessert or something. Whatever. See you around. Bye bye.